Hi kids. So how are you all? எல்லாரும், all of you, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you? So welcome back to the next story today. So it's going to be called Nimmi and Mom. Okay, va? Nimmi, who is Nimmi here? The small girl is Nimmi, and then Mom is here. Okay. So when you say Nimmi and Mom, it'll be Nimmiyu Ammavu. Okay. So if you want to put idli and chutney, it'll be, what is it? Idliyu, chutneyu. So as you see, in English, we just put one and, but here you have to put and for all the words. Okay? So nimmiyu, ammavu. Okay, so let's see the story again. Nimmi's mom, do I have my cursor here? Oh, here. Nimmi's mom went to see her relatives. Okay, ma? Relatives na ennadu? Relatives means what? Relatives na சொந்தக்காரங்க. Okay? Yes? So I have a small spelling mistake here. Karangala. Okay? So Nimmi's mom went to see her relatives. Okay, va? So Nimmi's mom எங்க போனாங்க? Where did she go? நிம்மியோட அம்மா, Nimmi's mom. See this word? நிம்மியோட அம்மா, Nimmi's mom. Her relatives. Okay, va? Her. அவங்க சொந்தக்காரங்கள பார்க்க போனாங்க. பார்க்க போனாங்க means what? To see. Okay? Where am I? Yeah. போனாங்க. She went. Okay, va? So, எங்க போனாங்க? Relatives பார்க்க போனாங்க. Okay? So, சொந்தக்காரங்கள பார்க்க போனாங்க. Can we repeat that word one more time? Relatives, சொந்தக்காரங்க. See this one. Relatives, சொந்தக்காரங்க. Okay? Or maybe I can take a highlighter as well if you want. And let me choose a nice color. Here. So, எங்க போனாங்க? சொந்தக்காரங்கள பார்க்க போனாங்க. Okay, va? This is the words. So, practice this word. Relatives means சொந்தக்காரங்க. Okay, va? That's where Nimmi's mom went. Nimmi's mom போனாங்க. Okay, va? Nimmi's dad. Okay? So, Nimmi's dad என்ன சொல்லணும்? நிம்மியோட அப்பா, நிம்மியோட அப்பா was doing his office work. Okay? What was he doing? Office work. Okay, va? Office வேலை was doing. பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாரு. Okay, va? He was doing that work. So, என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாரு? What was he doing? Office work. Office வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாரு. He was doing what he was seeing. Okay. I think this is Nimmi. Nimmi had no one to play with. Okay, va? Along with Nimmi. So, Nimmiயோட along with Nimmi play பண்ண. Play பண்ணனா என்னது? விளையாட. Play பண்ண. Was anybody there? No one was there. No one என்னது? யாரும் இல்ல. Nobody was there. No one என்னது? யாரும் இல்ல. Okay, was somebody there to play with Nimmi? No. So, யாரும் இல்ல. அச்சச்சோ. Oh no. Look at her. She looks sad. Right? Sad na என்னது? Sad means sogam. Sad means sogam. What will Nimmi do alone? Okay, va? Alone na என்னது? Alone means தனியா. Alone na என்னது? Alone means தனியா. What will Nimmi do alone? Nimmi alona. So, Nimmi தனியா What will she do? என்ன பண்ணுவா? Can you see this? என்ன is what? என்ன பண்ணுவா? What will she do? Let's see. Nimmi knocked on her neighbor's door. Knocked na என்னது? Knocked is the verb, like doing action, correct? So what did she do? She knocked. Knocked na என்ன பண்ணா Nimmi? தட்டுனா. Can you see this? She knocked. Nimmi தட்டுனா. So Nimmi knocked on her neighbor's door. Okay va? Nimmi என்ன பண்ணா? Knock பண்ணா. Knock பண்ணானா, how do you say that? Nimmi knocked. Nimmi தட்டுனா. Where did she knock? On her neighbor's door. Okay va? Neighbors na எப்படி சொல்றது? How do you say it? பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்காரங்க. Okay? So பக்கத்து வீட்டு means the door that is close next to her house. பக்கத்து வீட்டு கதவை means what? The door. Knock பண்ணா, தட்னா. But no one opened. But ஆனா, பட்னா என்ன சொல்லணும்? ஆனா, no one opened. No one என்னது? யாரும் opened what? No one opened the door. யாரும் கதவு திறக்கல. Did not open. Okay? So Nimmi என்ன பண்ணா டோர? Nimmi knock பண்ணா. Nimmi தட்னா. Okay? Nimmi went to the park. Okay? Nimmi எங்க போனா? Where did she go? Nimmi went to the park. So Nimmi எங்க போனா? பார்க்குக்கு went. Wentனா என்னது? போனா. ஓகேவா? Nimmi பார்க்குக்கு போனா. No one was there. No one என்னது? What is no one? No one யாரும் இல்ல. Can you see this? Okay, I'm going to take another pen in this page. Which color can we pick? Maybe red? Yeah. Okay, good. That's good. Can you see that? No one was there. யாரும் இல்ல. Okay. Poor Nimmi. பாவம் Nimmi. பாவம். Poor means what? Poor girl. பாவம் Nimmi. Poor Nimmi. She came back sad. So எப்படி வந்தா Nimmi? Sad வந்தா. So சோகமா வந்தா. Okay, how did Nimmi come back? சோகமா. Nimmi came back sad. Oh. Why was Nimmi sad? Yeah. Why? Yeah. Because ஏன்னா nobody was there in the park. பார்க்ல nobodyனா was there என்ன சொல்லணும்? யாரும் இல்ல. Nimmi had an idea. So நிம்மிக்கு என்னாச்சு? What happened to Nimmi? What happened? என்னாச்சு? ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துச்சு. என்ன வந்துச்சு நிம்மிக்கு? ஒரு ஐடியா. ஐடியானா என்னது? ஐடியா means யோசனை. What is idea? Idea means யோசனை. I'm going to write it out for you. Okay. That's not a good color to write. Idea means யோசனை. Oh, okay. Just give me one moment. Oopsie. Okay, this is a better option. Idea means யோசனை. Okay, va? என்ன வந்துச்சு நிம்மிக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா a thought ஒரு யோசனை வந்துச்சு she got a thought. Let's see what she did. She drew a picture for her mom. Okay, என்ன பண்ணா நிம்மி? நிம்மி வந்து அவ okay அவ drew a picture for her mom. அவங்க அம்மாக்காக for her mom. Okay, so அம்மாக்காக for her mom, what did she do? She drew a picture. Picture varanja. Okay, so let's see that. When her mom came back, okay va? Amma means what? Mom. திரும்பி வந்தப்போ, right? When she came back, திரும்பி வந்தப்போ, what happened? She saw, what did she see? Okay, this is a verb, right? Let's throw this back. Okay, when her mom came back, amma திரும்பி வந்தப்போ, Nimmy's picture. So, நிம்மியோட picture or நிம்மியோட படத்தை என்ன பண்ணாங்க? She saw. பார்த்தாங்க. என்ன பண்ணாங்க அம்மா? பார்த்தாங்க. She saw. Okay, look at that. She hugged Nimmi tightly. Okay, so நிம்மியோட அம்மா, Nimmy's mom, அவள means whom? நிம்மிய டைட்டா or இறுக்கமா hug பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. You can just say the word and say பண்ண. Okay, so hug பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க or you can just read this word. It is கட்டி பிடிச்சு கிட்டாங்க. Okay va kutis? So practice that tongue twister. So she hugged her child, right? So hug பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்க. Okay, she played a lot of games with Nimmi. Who played? Nimmy's mom. So she is nothing but நிம்மியோட அம்மா, or you can just say அவங்க played a lot of games with நிம்மி. அவங்க நிம்மியோட, yes, what did she do with நிம்மியோட or நிம்மி கூட? அவங்க நிம்மி கூட என்ன பண்ணாங்க? Played lot of games. So நிறைய games, lot of games or நிறைய விளையாட்டு. What did she do? Can you see this? Lot of games. What is lot of games? நிறைய games. என்ன பண்ணாங்க அம்மா? Play பண்ணாங்க or விளையாடினாங்க. ஓகேவா? Yeah, குட்டீஸ். So, if you don't know the verb, okay, because we are learning in steps, okay. So, if you don't know to say the verbs, you can always say the verb and then பண்ணாங்க. I mean, like, for example, if you want to say danced, if you want to say danced, and you don't know how to say danced in Tamil, like adna, you didn't know to say that, you can always say dance, okay, yes, and then you can say dance panna, okay. So if you don't know how to say I played, you will be saying play panna. You got it? So we'll see next week. Next week பார்க்கலாம், okay, and practice. So practice means practice பண்ணுங்க, okay, do practice. So practice பண்ணுங்க and we will see you next week. Okay va? Next week பார்க்கலாம். Yes, and as a cultural note, when you leave, we always say I will go and come back. Okay, so I'm going to say போயிட்டு வரேன். Okay va? Bye, kids. So, see you again. Take care.